Intelcave AI is one of the latest AI software releases that promises to revolutionize your workflow and productivity. In this Intelcave AI review, we'll dive deep into 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this software. If you're curious whether it lives up to the hype, stick around because we're covering everything you need to decide if this tool is right for you. Before we get started, if you're new to Intelcave AI, you can actually try the software completely free from the first link below. That's right, no strings attached. So let's break it down. First off, Intelcave AI is designed to simplify tasks that used to take hours or even days, automating everything from content creation to analytics and even customer support. This software stands out because of its unique approach to streamlining operations using cutting-edge machine learning and natural language processing. One of the standout features is Intelcave AI's ability to generate highly accurate and engaging content in just minutes. Whether you need blog posts, social media updates, or even email sequences, the software is equipped with tools to create it all. It's not just about speed. The content it produces is highly tailored, ensuring you stay relevant and on point for your target audience. The AI doesn't just spit out generic text, it analyzes the context of your brand and the audience you're targeting to generate personalized copy that's both human-like and effective. Another game changer is its built-in analytics dashboard. If you're into digital marketing, this feature is huge. It analyzes the performance of your content, whether it's emails, blog posts, or ad campaigns. You get detailed insights that help you tweak and optimize your content for better engagement. No more guesswork when it comes to improving your marketing strategy. What's more, Intelcave AI integrates seamlessly with a variety of platforms. Whether you're using email marketing tools, CRM systems, or social media scheduling apps, Intelcave AI works in harmony with all of them, saving you from jumping between multiple apps. This is a massive time saver for businesses trying to streamline their processes. Now let's talk about customization. Intelcave AI isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. You can tweak and personalize the settings to fit your exact needs. Whether it's adjusting the tone of voice or setting specific KPIs for the AI to optimize for, this software gives you control over how it works for your business. It's flexibility like this that makes it a real contender in the crowded world of AI tools. But don't just take my word for it. Intelcave AI has been getting rave reviews from users who have already tested it out. They've praised its ease of use, reliability, and the fact that it doesn't take much time to get up to speed with the platform. It's clear that Intelcave has put a lot of thought into making this tool user-friendly for both beginners and seasoned professionals alike. Lastly, one feature that makes Intelcave AI a real standout is its pricing. While many AI platforms can be prohibitively expensive, Intelcave offers competitive pricing that makes it accessible to smaller businesses and solopreneurs. And with the free trial, you get a chance to try before you buy, ensuring that you only invest if it's truly right for you. In conclusion, if you're looking for a powerful, easy-to-use AI tool that can automate your content creation, marketing, and analytics, Intelcave AI is definitely worth exploring. I've tried thousands of AI software, and I can confidently say it stands out in terms of both quality and usability. If you want to give Intelcave AI a try for free, head to the first link in the description below. And don't forget to check out my recommended AI tools down there as well, as I've tested them all to help you find the best fit for your needs.